Alright, so here's what we've got. We've got a sink here that the drain does not drain out proper. I'll show you. Now you'll watch it start filling up, and when you turn the water off, see, it takes a long time to go down. It's actually going down faster now than usual. Now you would think, oh well, I'll just plunge it. Well, that's not it. Well, I'll check the trap. Well, that's not it. I've taken the trap off because I had to change this faucet out, so I took the trap off. But what I did not change was this part itself. And what happens is your hairs from your shaving and stuff builds up in there, and soap scum gets down in there, and it all becomes one big mess, and it kind of stops it up. Because if you've taken your trap off and it's clean, you can put on a figure it's this. But there's another way to find out. When you're letting it out, if you wiggle this up and down, and you notice it go faster, that's telling you something's wrong in there. It's gummed up. Okay, so what do? Well, you take this loose. Got a bucket to catch the stuff. You take this loose. It's loose enough to do it with my hand. Okay, so I want to take that off right there. And I'm going to take this off completely out. Look at the gunk. Got gunk on it. Okay, we knew that would happen. But now, here's the thing. You might think your house is clean till you pull this out. Look at that. Look at that. Now, let me show you. That's what's down in there. So, you have to get that stuff out. Look at this. Look at that. And it's all the way down it. I'll clean that out, come back and show you the watered in. Okay, so they're almost back together right here. But I'm letting it check the overflow right now. I'm looking for leaks down here. This is where I was working on earlier. But you'll notice this is out of here. This was the old one. I cleaned it out in there somewhat, but I noticed that the top lip was broken off. Now, to take these things out, you can unscrew the pressure there, but you got to realize the top part actually screws off. Okay, that's how you get them down, because that nut won't go past this part right here. Anyway, I put a new one on, and now I'll stop the water, and it'll go down. See how fast it's going down? Because the problem was in here. It was gummed up in there. If I had to put this on, if I'd have kept using it, it still would have worked, but the top was broke, so I went ahead and changed it. But it would have flowed just as good as this one. So, that's it. That's all it needs. And I put a little bit of putty, plumber's putty around the bottom of that before I put it in as well. Okay, folks.